Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I have another unboxing today. Are you guys sick of me yet? 3 days in a row. But I just couldn't pass up these deals. It was 45% off at Wig Studio One. So I had to get, I have another one over here sitting next to me that arrived today, the same as Alpha Blend, but in British milk tea. And I'm going to do the unboxing for that one on the Wig Studio One channel. So if you really like that color, head on over to Wig Studio One YouTube channel and you'll see my unboxing over there. I'm not sure when that'll go up. Anyway, I got Peerless. It's long, I know, but I break rules. I don't care that I'm 63. I wear whatever I like. I break rules with makeup. I break rules with clothes. And by golly, I break rules with my wigs as well. I'll leave the links to both Alpha Blend and Peerless. I'll leave them listed down below. I mean, really, would you have passed up that 45% off? Did you get any? If you got one at 45% off, let me know. All right, Peerless. I was wondering, this is from the the cafe collection in Belle Tress, and I was wondering, why is it called Peerless? Well, I'm going to tell you why it's called Peerless. Peerless is located in Oakland, California. It's named after the Peerless coffee roast that was founded in 1924 by a gentleman named John Vikusan, who was an immigrant from Yugoslavia. So there you have it, Peerless. All right, this Peerless is the same color as my Alpha Blend. This is brown sugar sweet cream. I know. I love my wigs. All right. Here is Peerless. Belle Tress does this beautifully. They're wrapped in a net, and they have this long straw-looking thing inside, saying this is just to keep the wig straight. Some wigs, you'll receive them, and they'll be turned inside out. Belle Tress has them turned correctly. They're not inside out, and they do have a net. I like to mention that sometimes because I get questions on the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group Facebook page, which is a private Facebook page. And I get that question so much on there asking, well, is this right? It doesn't have a zigzag, or it didn't have a net. Not all the companies add a net. Not all the companies add a zigzag. Some do it one time or other. All right, this one appears to be, let me put it here. This one appears to be maybe a little darker. You know what it could be? It could be the length. It could also be the different batches. Peerless has a wide center part. The center part is pretty wide, so we're going to see if we could wear it a little bit off center or not. I will let you know. We have felt ear tabs, and we have the fibers coming out of the ear tabs, and that gives it a more natural look. If you're going to pull your hair back and you just want some strands hanging down, it's not going to appear so abrupt, if you will. We have pull type adjusters, a non-extended nape. If you're not familiar with brown sugar sweet cream, this is an absolutely gorgeous color. If you are a brunette, you want to go a little bit lighter. You have a dark root. If you're like me, if you have dark, thick brows, I always try to wear wigs that have a root, even if they're light. And that way it kind of matches with my brows and it doesn't look weird. I think it just looks weird on me if I wear a light wig with no root because my brows are too thick. Brown sugar sweet cream is a light, medium, and dark brown. We have some caramel mixed in, and we have some pale blonde in it. And Peerless is just absolutely gorgeous. With some, it has curtain bangs that are extended from the part, and it says on Belle Tress says that this is an original curl pattern for this special edition piece. Let's cut off the tag because I'm not going to return it. Belle Tress is just killing it with these styles. I love to do unboxings because that way you get to see what does the piece look right out of the box. I'm going to take Peerless, I'm going to give it a good shake, try to remove that zigzag part. I'm not going to run a comb through it, I'm just going to run my fingers because I don't want to disturb the curls. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at those curls. Aren't they gorgeous? Let's take Alpha Blend off and put on Peerless. My goodness, I haven't had hair this long in forever. Let me tell you what the measurements are, and then we'll talk about Peerless. And of course, I'm not going to wear it like that. Give me a moment here. Give me a moment. We have a bang that is from 4 to 6 inches. So we have some layering right here. This is what they're talking about the curtain bang. It kind of swoops. And then we have sides of 17 and the back is 21 and a half. All right, let's move this around a little bit. Oh my gosh, this color is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. All right, let's see how much we can move this part. I know not everybody is a fan of center parts. Okay, we can move it out a little bit. You know what? Even if you have that center part, when you have these bangs coming, sweeping over to the side, so it doesn't look like you have a straight line down the middle. Okay, you can, right? See it? So you can move it slightly over to the side. You can move it off center. And if you like bangs, you could just cut those a little bit more. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll do a spin so you can see what it looks like on all sides. I hope you could see it. Beautifully, beautifully, beautifully done. Now Belle Tress does something and it sort of ends pretty much abruptly where the lace front ends, but that's just Belle Tress, the way they do things. So what I do with that, if I'm going to wear my hair back, I'll just pull out some fibers there. As many of you know, I am 63 and 64 is right around the corner. And you know, for years I have heard that women over a certain age shouldn't wear such long hair. I don't believe in that. And here's what I don't know, even though I don't believe in it, I don't think I would wear this all loose like this just because it's not really me. But me is the alpha blend. However, I think this is a great piece because we have low density. We don't have any permatease here. So oh, I forgot to put on my earrings. Can't be without my earrings. I want to show you what I would do with this piece. All right, there we go. Now I feel better. We could move it over to the side. And we could bring it up and tie it up that way. Or we could use it for an updo if you wanted to. Very simple. I'll turn around so you could see what I'm talking about. You could put it up in an updo. The way I would wear it is I would leave some strands because of my low hairline. See, here's my hairline and here are the ear tabs. So I'll figure out a way of wearing this. This will be my special occasion piece. I would take some of these bangs that are right here. You know, even if we don't like to wear such long hair, sometimes it's nice to have a long piece for special occasions where you could just do that updo, you could do a ponytail. I personally am a big fan of the half up, half down. So all I did was take part of it, and I'm taking one of these clips right here. I don't know how straight this would be. If I were to wear it like this, what I would do is use my mannequin that I have on a tripod. But I'm sure those curls look really pretty back there. I don't think I told you the weight on it. The weight is 6.4 ounces. When I saw the pictures of Peerless, I thought that is probably going to feel really heavy. But we don't have permatease here. We don't have high density. I think the weight is due because it has pretty long hair. But it doesn't feel any heavier than the Alpha blend. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a helmet or anything. It just feels like any one of my other wigs. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see brown sugar sweet cream in the sunlight. It's a little sunny in the Flint Hills. And then I'll come back. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of Peerless by Belle Tress in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.